Tennis Australia is the governing body for Tennis Australian Open is the main event. I work as a system accountant, looking after Workday Finance, Workday Adaptive Budgeting Forecasting. Have that driver-based budgeting and forecasting in Tennis Australia and Member Association, especially with the sponsor and media revenue. It was easy for us to build that models in Adaptive and with the support of multidimensional and multi-currency planning. Especially in the COVID situation, if you remember that there are certain times that where we have a scenario with the capacity planning, the government might say, okay, you can do 50% capacity, and then they will change it suddenly to 75% capacity. In those scenarios, we have to have different scenarios planned according to our revenue and also the operational expenses. So it's really helped us, the Adaptive, to plan it in that way, to give us an understanding of, okay, scenario 1, 50% crowd. What's the revenue and what's the operation? What's the bottom line is? 75% capacity. What's our bottom line is? So that's the real benefit of adaptive planning. For the preparation of the budget, we try to line up with high-level top-down budget approach in the first place, trying to get targets set up for each executive. We also encourage all our FPPs and cost center managers to work their individual respective executives to try and build the bottom-up budget. We have to be very strict with the data, when cost center managers should only have access to those cost centers and plan accordingly. So that was easy for us to manage. And also it's a real-time data which comes from whenever they enter in the budget, we see it. So the CFO sees the same thing to the director, to the executives, everybody sees the same time in real-time data. Since we have built certain assumptions in the model, when we change assumptions, say for example, the budget currency dropped, so we should be able to centralizely adjust those things. That's another benefit. I think it's a very efficient, very cost-effective, and easy to use system. So that's the real benefit. I would definitely recommend QMetrix. I had a relationship over 5 years with QMetrix. The staff is very knowledgeable, highly skilled, very easy to work with. There's a good knowledge transfer, and the staff is very consistent. I see the same person every day in QMetrix.